Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Dipen from Pune, and at my backdrop you can see the new 2021 BS6 Benelli TRK 502X. Yes, this is the X version, and let me take you around the bike and show you what all changes have happened in the bike and what all you're going to get. So guys, the engine is the same 500cc inline 2-cylinder, and the gearbox is a 6-speed gearbox with 1 down and 5 up pattern, and the bhp wise it is 47.5 horsepower and 46 Nm of torque. वैसे बेनेली बोलती है आपको माइलेज 20 to 25 का मिल जाना चाहिए, बट व्हेन आई रिसेंटली डिड अ लॉन्ग राइड फ्रॉम पुणे टू पालिताना एंड बैक, ओवरऑल मेरे को 28 का माइलेज मिला है. वेयर सम प्लेसेस आई हैड टच द बाइक एट ये 502 के बारे में बता रहा हूँ मैं, बट 502 एंड 502X इंजन इज ऑलमोस्ट द सेम. सो ओवरऑल किलोमीटर्स दैट आई डिड वाज 1400 किलोमीटर्स यहाँ से पालिताना वाया द रोरो फेरी, एंड बाय कमिंग बैक वाया वडोदरा वगैरह करके आया था मैं. सो दैट इज़ द माइलेज दैट आई एम गेटिंग इन एक्चुअल. Now weight of this 502X is 235 kgs. Fuel tank आपको 20 लीटर का मिल जाता है, and 20 लीटर में से 18 will be almost usable. थोड़ा आपको FI के लिए 2 liters you need to keep balance so that the FI doesn't run dry. फ्रंट पे आपको 2 पेडल डिस्क मिल जाते हैं, ट्विन डिस्क है, एंड ईच इज़ 320 mm, एंड ये बेनेली के मेक है ब्रेक कैलिपर्स, इट्स नॉट ब्रेम्बो और समथिंग. एंड एट द रेयर यू गेट अ 260 mm डिस्क. ओके, ये रहा पीछे का डिस्क, एंड ABS स्टैंडर्ड है बाइक पे, बट अनफॉर्चुनेटली नाउ ऑन दी 502X ऑन दी 2021 मॉडल BS6 में अभी यू कैन नॉट स्विच ऑफ दी ABS. इवन ऑन दी रेगुलर 502, दैट्स द रेगुलर 502, यू कैन नॉट स्विच ऑफ दी ABS. जबकि जो पुराने मॉडल्स थे उसमें एक बटन आता था यहाँ पे विथ विच यू कैन स्विच ऑफ द ABS. बेस्ट पार्ट इज ऑफ दिस बाइक इज द ग्राउंड क्लियरेंस. ऑफकोर्स अभी गाड़ी मेन स्टैंड पे लगी हुई है, बट इट इज़ नॉट सो हाई इवन विद द मेन स्टैंड. यू गेट अराउंड अप्रॉक्सीमेटली ग्राउंड क्लियरेंस ऑफ 220 mm. नाउ स्पीकिंग अबाउट द मेन डिफरेंस इन द 502 एंड द 502X. सो ये है BS6 2021 मॉडल 502, द स्ट्रीट वर्जन, एंड दिस इज द ऑफ रोड वर्जन विच इज़ द 502X. इन दोनों में मेन डिफरेंस क्या है? तो ये फर्स्ट डिफरेंस है, फ्रंट साइड पे यू गेट अ 19 इंच व्हील. ओके, इफ यू सी दिस इज अ 19 का टायर, एंड दिस इज गॉट अ 17 इंच. सेकेंड थिंग, you get spoke wheels on this one, and this one has got mag wheels. The 502 has got mag wheels. Third thing is exhaust. This one doesn't have a belly exhaust, whereas the 502 had a belly exhaust, or rather has a belly exhaust. वो नीचे साइड पे एग्जॉस्ट है पूरा. Okay, so this is pure off-road style. साइड में एग्जॉस्ट आता है. Now because of the 19 inch front, this bike का सीट हाइट is slightly higher than that. I think approximately 20 mm से ज़्यादा हो जाता है इसका सीट हाइट, which is around 840 mm. फ्रंट पे दोनों भी गाड़ियों को USD आ जाते हैं, एंड rear भी suspension. The rear one is adjustable. It is 20 step adjustable. I don't know how can I show it to you. Let me try to zoom. वो जो pink part दिख रहा है आपको, pink reddish part, that is the way how you can that knob you can rotate to adjust the suspension. Now one more difference between the two bikes, which is the main thing and what your Indians almost love about it, is the X gets a main stand. ओके, ये आपको मेन स्टैंड मिल जाता है बिकॉज बेली में एग्जॉस्ट नहीं है अभी, whereas the 502 does not get a main stand. Another difference is the X, which is prone, it might be prone to more usage of off-road. It has got a belly protection at the bottom, whereas वो regular street में नहीं आता है. Now if you guys want to know what is the difference between BS6 version of the 502X and the BS4 version, आप लोग मेरा जो कंपैरिजन वीडियो है फॉर द BS6 502 द स्ट्रीट वर्जन का जो कंपैरिजन है विद BS4, वो वीडियो देख लो. उसका लिंक मैं आई लीव इट इन दिस वीडियो का डिस्क्रिप्शन. वो उसमें से आपको पूरा पता चल जाएगा डिफरेंसेस क्या है BS6 और BS4 में. I forgot to tell you what tires Benelli is now providing. So on the front it's got a Metzeler, ये जो 19 inch है, it's a Metzeler Torrance. Let me turn on the light. Here's the name. It is the Torrance and the size is 1110/80 R19. And अब चलते हैं rear पे. Rear to gets a Metzeler. It's a steel radial Metzeler. I think this also is a Torrance. Yes, even this is a Torrance and the size is 150. I'm not able to focus correctly because of the light on the opposite side. It's 150/70 R17. Both the front and rear tires are I would say tubeless. The tires are tubeless, but उसमें tube है बाइक के रिम के अंदर tube है. The rims, the tires would read tubeless because the Metzeler brand is like that, but it's not जो functionality है, you will require a tube for it, और अंदर tube है अभी भी. Now let us look at the meter which is almost similar to the, मतलब सेम ही है to the 502, कुछ difference नहीं है. जो BS6 502 है उसके जैसा ही है. You get the telltale lights here, engine warning lights, ABS here, turn indicators का यहाँ पे है लेफ्ट का, ये राइट का, हाई बीम का यहाँ पे है. एंड दिस इज अगेन अनदर इंजन फेलियर वार्निंग लाइट. आरपीएम मीटर यहाँ पे आता है. बाकी टेम्परेचर गेज इधर है, डिजिटल नहीं है टेम्परेचर. यू गेट द गियर इंडिकेटर हियर, नाउ इट्स इन न्यूट्रल. फ्यूल मीटर यहाँ पे आ जाता है, टाइम यहाँ पे बता देता है. योर स्पीडो इज हियर एंड योर टोटल ओडोमीटर इज हियर एंड यू कैन switch the odometer with this buttons over here, trip A, trip B, and you can convert this to miles also, miles and mph. Let's hear the horn a bit. This one is quite loud. Let's talk about what all accessories you get standard in the bike. ये visor जो आता है आपको पूरा ये standard है. It's in 3 parts, 1 here, 2 here and 3 here. You get the handguards at standard and these are metal handguards. You get the mobile charger standard, USB point है and it is 2 amperes. The saddle stays are standard, दोनों साइड पे आएंगे. इसको एग्जॉस्ट आता है इस साइड पे, तो एक साइड पे थोड़ा बेंड आएगा. Your top rack is standard and again your rear tire hugger is standard. बाइक की लाइट्स की बात करें तो it is still got the halogen lamps as standard. Let me start those and show it to you. And it is AOH. So as soon as you start the bike, the headlight will turn on, the low beam will turn on. Okay. And then you can control the high beam via this button over here. So when your high beam starts, your low beam does not turn off. So that is one good advantage what I see, because both the lights will be on all the time and you will get good lighting on the highway. You get hazard light button as standard on the bike, and the LED and the indicators that are on the bike are all LED. Okay, आपको चारों तरफ LED light मिल जाती है. Even the tail lamp is a LED tail lamp. The switch gear is now back illuminated. Okay, you get the pass light, you get the high low beam, you get the indicator switch here, horn button here. This is the starter button, this is the engine kill switch, and this is the hazard button. This is a spare button here. In the international version, it is used to control the new LCD, that new meter that given in the international version. What locally I hear is the spare switches can be used for fog lamp installation, I mean to operate the fog lamps. Levers on both the side, the clutch and the gear, are 4-step adjustable ones. ये रहा क्लच का साइड का and here is the brake side. So it is 4-step adjustable. So if your hands are short and you cannot reach directly for the levers, you can adjust the lever length. The grips on the bike are pretty excellent. I mean, the horizontal grips, horizontal slots that they've given, they give a very good grip while riding. We now have a very beautiful handle. It's well crafted and you get the Benelli branding too on it, Gran Turismo. Speaking about the keys, so this is one famous thing for Benellis. You get the Kolhapuri type key, and one of this is standard, and you get two other keys which are looking like this. On the older 502X, we did not have this graphics over here, so this is nice plush touch now. Also, the crash guards are standards what you see on the bike, and they come on both the sides, the left as well as the right one. You also get a number plate holder which is on the front, so your front look of the windscreen is not, it's not blocked, or it doesn't take the look away of the front. The mirrors are now quite big and offer a real wide view. Now let's hear the exhaust sound. ये हो गई start. Neutral पे इतना हम दे रही है गाड़ी. This gives a very big bike feel. बहुत must exhaust है. Benelli is obviously known for the exhaust. This is at idling right now at 1500 RPM. ये थोड़ा दूर से. So guys, here's the pricing of the bike. दोनों को सामने है. 502X grey version. Ex-showroom is 519,900 and on road हो जाएगी आपके लिए 639,269. Whereas if you look at the white and red color, the ex-showroom is 529,900 and on road जाएगी 650,694. Of course ये थोड़ा सा हिल रहा था, so I'll leave a screenshot of this price in the video. आगे छोड़ दूंगा मैं. So guys, that's it from my side for this 502X quick review inside the showroom. If you have any questions, do let me know, put them in the comments. If I don't have answers, I'll get them from the showroom, from people, and pass it on to you. Or I would leave the contact details of showroom and the location. So if you guys want to personally check the bike out, you can come and see it and take a test ride also. Just that the 502X is not available for test ride right now. They need to get their registered number and all. So probably in a week's time they'll be having the 502X for a test ride. But otherwise you can come and quickly have a review first hand. आप देख सकते हो, get a feel of the bike. And yes, thank you for being with me all this while. And if you have any questions, as जैसे मैंने पहले बताया, बता देना मुझे, पूछ लेना मुझसे. And if you are watching this on my channel for the first time, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Don't forget to share the video to your friends and family who would be interested in this bike. And अगर ये बाइक में से आपको कुछ भी पसंद आ गया रहेगा, रिव्यू में कुछ भी पसंद आ गया रहेगा, तो डोंट फॉरगेट टू हिट दी लाइक बटन. अनलाइक बटन भी हिट कर देना, आई डोंट माइंड, बट एटलीस्ट कुछ फीडबैक मिल जाएगा. सो गुड बाय फॉर नाउ एंड सी यू अंटिल अनदर वीडियो.
Till I get up, time is barely on our side.